Ah, here we are. So, we are looking at something. Please like, please subscribe. Never forget to always remember. Every time notification bell rings, the old man gets his wings. Every time notification bell rings, the old man gets his wings, and you get to see more of my videos. Yeah. Okay, there we are. We are looking straight ahead. Please be patient. Oh, okay. Got something going on. The sim is rather laggy today. It might not be an auspicious occasion to visit, but here we find ourselves. This is a haunted house. A famous haunted house. This is true. But just a haunted house. Now, I think there are sounds involved in this. We are not allowed to play those sounds on YouTube. So we'll just keep staring front and center. It's less than optimal, but for the real thing, we can look elsewhere. And then baby is at the queue. I got a better piano than that. Mine actually shows hands playing it. So yes, I can hold on to my Halloween display all of tomorrow, I'm sure. But oh, look at those. But Sunday morning, I'm afraid I have to say goodbye. Look at the spider. Is there a giant spider in the original? Is there even two giant spiders? It's rather a dark ride. I can hear. I can hear sounds being made. So if you had the sounds turned up on this. Oh. Okay, now. Here we go. At least now we can see something. There's the other couple. Something's moving. Check out the guy in the box. Oh, here we are. Now we're moving again. Exit. The exit wants to enter. Tomb, sweet tomb. Another one wants to come out. Again, I think my crystal ball is better. The face here is better. I wasn't able to find the appropriate face, and I sure don't have it animated. Of the screwy ghost orbs. Baby is at the beginning of the ride. Okay, come on now. Where are you? Where are you at? Okay, we're still here. She stopped moving. We seem to be motion. Ah, here we go. We're in another room. Oh, yeah. Here we are. We are leaving the balcony scene. It's rather dark, but of course it is a dark ride. There we are. There's the bride. Here comes the bride. All dressed in white. Blue in this case. The story is that the lady had either she had bad luck with husband after husband, or she killed husband after husband. Oh, there we have the ghost looking for a hitch. Oh no, he's got his head in a basket. Here's the graveyard scene. And a lot of dark areas in this. Okay, there we are. The gravedigger and the ghost. Ghost leaving the graveyard. We're bummed out here, they say. Another part of the story is that by the time you reach him, you're one of the dead too. But they look like they're having fun. Bunch of swingers. I do like this cheery excuse for death. Looks like king and queen and princess on the swing. Here we go. Oh, these guys work. Will we have enough time to finish? I do not know. Oh, look at them. Enjoying their time climbing over the hearse. You seem to get stalled out here. There we go. Now there's some movement. Okay, I think this may be the exit. Well, there's the ghost hitching a ride. Going our way. I don't know if it's the issue of having too many people here at one time. There are a lot of people here. Or if it's just set to run this slow. To know which way to look. Generally speaking, you should be able to. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! We're going to have another one here. There we are. I do believe that this is the very exit of the exit. Have a slight hiccup in the water wheel, and as I don't have a water wheel, I'm not too bothered. I believe that we are at the end of the end of the end. Look at all the people here. People!